Something is happening right now that has never happened before in the history of work. Solo founders, one-person operations with no employees, no investors, and no office are generating incomes that used to require entire teams. Not because they are working harder, because they are using AI to do the work that used to require 5 to 10 people. In this video, I am breaking down exactly how solo founders are replacing their full-time salary with AI in 2026, and what it actually takes to make the switch. Welcome back to Venture Void, where we break down the exact tools and systems solo founders and small teams are using to build real income without a big budget or a big team. Today we are talking about the death of the 9-to-5 and how AI is making it possible for one person to generate a full salary, or multiple salaries, operating completely solo. First, let's be honest about what the 9-to-5 actually costs you. It costs you time. 40 to 60 hours a week of your life traded for a fixed paycheck. It costs you leverage. Your income is capped at what one employer decides you are worth. It costs you optionality. You are dependent on one income source controlled by someone else. And in 2026, it costs you something new. The opportunity cost of not using AI. Because the tools exist right now to build income streams that run without you. And every month you spend in a 9-to-5 is a month you are not building those systems. So how are solo founders actually replacing their salary? There are 3 models that are working right now. Model 1, the AI content business. One person using Claude, 11 Labs, and Canva to run a content agency serving 10 to 20 clients at $500 to $2,000 a month each. Total revenue, $5,000 to $40,000 a month. Total team size, 1 person and a stack of AI tools. Model 2, the faceless YouTube portfolio. 1 person running 2 to 3 faceless YouTube channels in high RPM niches. Finance, AI tools, business. Each channel monetized through YouTube ads and affiliate links. Combined revenue at scale, $5,000 to $20,000 a month in passive income. Model 3, the AI automation consultant. 1 person who knows how to connect tools using Zapier and Make and builds automated workflows for businesses. Charges $1,000 to $5,000 per project, takes 2 to 4 projects a month. Revenue, $2,000 to $20,000 a month working part-time hours. None of these require employees. None require an office. None require venture capital. They require knowledge of the tools, a willingness to do the work in the building phase, and the patience to let the systems compound over time. Here is the catch. Replacing your salary with AI is not faster than getting a job. It takes 6 to 18 months of consistent building before the income matches a full-time salary. The people who succeed are the ones who started while they still had the 9-to-5, building their AI income stream on nights and weekends until it was large enough to replace the job entirely. The 9-to-5 is not dead for everyone. For people who want stability, structure, and a clear career path, it still makes sense. But for solo founders who want leverage, optionality, and income that is not capped by someone else's budget, AI has made the alternative more accessible than at any point in history. Subscribe to Venture Void for weekly breakdowns of exactly how to build these income streams. Drop in the comments whether you are still in your 9-to-5 or already building your exit. I read every single one. See you in the next one.